Do you think snoring is just a sound? It's a red alert from your airway. Studies say over 70% of people who snore loudly have undiagnosed obstructive sleep apnea. Snoring means your airway is partially blocked. As air struggles to pass, tissues vibrate. That's the sound. And when it gets worse, the breath actually stops. That's how snoring becomes sleep apnea. Chronic snoring increases risk of stroke by 67%. Blood pressure and cortisol levels. Inflammation in your body increases. Snoring is not funny, it's dangerous. Start with nasal breathing training. Mouth tape at night can reduce snoring in just 7 to 10 days. Strengthen your tongue posture, improve your CO2 tolerance, and calm the nervous system with the pranayama. Snoring is not just a habit, it's a signal. Catch it early, heal with breath. Thank you.